and welcome to another OT Weekly baking, cooking activity. Alright, so today we are going to make a vegan cheese, a cashew-based cheese. So if you have any sort of allergy to cashews, you can sub out other nuts. Cashew just tends to work the best. Sunflower seeds will also be a good option, so just check that out for yourself. Alright, first, gotta make sure you washed your hands. If you haven't washed your hands, pause this video and go and do that right now. But otherwise, we're gonna get started. So first you're gonna start by measuring out a cup of cashews. So you wanna find the one and put your cashews in until you've reached that number one. So we check that out. There's the number one for the cup line, and my cashews reached that line. So I'm gonna put that into my blender cup, Vitamix there, or mine is a NutriBullet. So I'm gonna put those cashews aside. I have water here, so you wanna make sure that you don't put in too much water and too much oil. So when you're pouring in the oil, you want it to cover about halfway, and then you're gonna put water for the rest. So we'll do the oil first. I'll bring it close to the camera so you can see what I mean. So you wanna get about halfway up, so you can see the line of the oil growing at the bottom there. Let's see. So see, there's the oil line. And now we're gonna fill water on the top. So I've got my water here. And pour that in. Not too much, because otherwise it will get too watery. It'll be more like a nacho cheese if you have too much water in there. So oil and water, cover the cashews. The next thing to do is get a clove of garlic. So you have to take that off of the hull. Then you're gonna peel it off. So you wanna get rid of this skin portion. Put that away. You gotta kind of find the edge and take off. So usually if you start at the bottom, that's a good place to find it. You can also smush it with either your hand or a utensil to try and make it easier. So you've got your whole clove of garlic. You're gonna put that in your cup. The next thing you're gonna do is do a couple turns for me. I've got the kind that turns at the top, so I'm gonna do a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. You don't need to add too much. You can always add those in later if you decide you want a little bit more. Okay, the next thing you're gonna need is nutritional yeast. So that is a key ingredient. You're gonna pour that in. This one is also kind of to taste. We're gonna do 1/4 of a cup. So 1/4 of a cup, it's that line down here. And pour that in, get my nutritional yeast measured. And you can see that's at the 1/4 of a cup line. Pour that in, there we go. And then I'm gonna add in some lemon juice. I'm gonna do about a spoonful, so I've got a bigger spoon. This is about a tablespoon. You're gonna put that in there. Pour it in there. We'll do 2 big tablespoons of lemon. There we go. All right, so now you have your oil, your garlic, your water, your nutritional yeast, and your lemon. You have more water here, so if you wanna add just maybe a little bit more, just because that nutritional yeast is soaking it up. So I just added a little bit more water. I'm gonna close the top and blend it. So everybody's blender is a little bit different. Mine is the kind that you just close up and you push down. So I'm gonna turn the camera over to my blender area over here. There we go. Very professional filming here. All right, so I'm gonna put that down, and this is gonna get a little bit loud, so if sounds are bothersome to you, maybe you put on your headphones now, or you can turn down the volume. I'm gonna push down on my blender here. It's kind of out of frame, there we go. So And you can see the consistency is very cheesy-like. Check that out. That's the right consistency we want. So you can use that cheese on top of your tacos, on top of chips. You can make nachos with it. You can do whatever you want. You can also put it on a sandwich, kind of like a grilled cheese. There you have it. Vegan cheese. Until next time.